Pro Stitcher fixing the track. Make sure you've watched our other video which shows you how to install the Pro Stitcher track and install Pro Stitcher on your machine, a studio or gallery frame. Hi, I'm Liz Holpin from Pinhole Quilting. So do double check that. Get low and just check as you start it off and you've put the screws in and you've laid your end of your flexi rack into the washers. When you do that first section, just double check it. So that was just an excerpt. Watch the video and then these stills should help you get a good result. This is how it should look at the end. These are some of the tools that you're going to need that we mentioned in the video. And what you'll need to do is spray the white cog wheels if we haven't already done so. You'll need the fixing kit and you'll need the blue flexi rack. You'll need the Allen key. That's what we use to lower the cog for the x-axis. Make sure that the positioning of the blue track is correct using the templates we've supplied. Double check that by dropping the cog wheel, by using the Allen key. It goes into the front of the carriage. You'll see there's a hole there and it drops down that aluminium section so that it's flat. And once that cog wheel is down and you've got the flexi rack started to be laid, don't lay any more down, just check it centered. Now remove a section of the tape at a time after having secured the two end screws. Using a tool roll makes it a little easier because it is quite springy. So what you need to do is be removing a section of the tape and press it down onto the table using the template as a guide to keep it equal all the way along. Peel back a section and keep going all the way to the far end. At the very far end, you're going to trim the track and screw in those screws and washers. If you've got magnetic channel lock bars, don't remove them, but you will need to have it so that it goes slightly out.